Hi, it says what? Thanks for stopping by my channel. The lovely Melissa from the YouTube channel Melissa Purse asked to see the 3 Dooney Florentine Domed Buckle Satchels that I have. So I thought I'd do a quick video. I have this in bone that I got off of eBay a few years ago. It is a lovely French vanilla color, and it didn't come with tags, so I assume it's the bone. I don't know if they made it in a French vanilla color or not, but that's what I call it. And then this is my newest one. It is in natural. I got this at the Dooney outlet in Las Vegas. And I like this handbag charm on the natural color, so that's why I have it on there. And then I have this one in ocean. I paused the video to put the handle up. This bag I got for a really great price from the beautiful and talented Mrs. Q when she was having a handbag sale a few years ago. And I'll tell you a little bit about these bags. They are still available on Dooney.com, and there is a bone option on I Love Dooney, and they do have them at the outlets. They retail for $3.98. The name is Domed Buckle Satchel in Florentine leather. And I forget what I paid for it at the outlet. I went there specifically looking for Domed Buckle Satchels, so I was going to buy it no matter what. So this bag is 15 inches long, 12 inches high, and 6.5 inches deep. It just has the 2 handles, which gives you a, I think it's an 8-inch shoulder drop. It fits well over your shoulder. Let's take a look at this one. They all have something a little bit different about them. This marine one, the leather feels the thickest and the most durable. The red zipper really pops on the marine color. And they all have the back pocket. That's my iPhone 6 Plus in its case in the back pocket. I pushed it all the way down so you can see how much would stick out if you were to use that. So this one, the leather is mostly smooth, some slight pebbling across the front, but it doesn't distract from the beauty of the bag to me. The back is super smooth, and I really like how the whip stitch handles look, and also the contrasting stitching with the marine color is just really pretty to me. And here is the natural. The natural is the only one that's not stuffed right now. I just used it yesterday, so I haven't stuffed it or anything. And I will take this leather charm off when I put it away. But this one, you can't really see it, but there is some striations in the natural leather. I don't know if I can get an angle where you can see it better. This one is really smooth also. Has some slight pebbling on that corner. They all have 4 feet on the bottom. This one also has the red zipper. And the contrasting stitching is not as evident on this color. And here is the bone colored bone color. I really like this bag. It feels the lightest to me when I carry it. I don't know why that is. But it also has the red zipper and the contrast and zipper, or sorry, the whip stitch contrast. You can't really see the stitching color against the bone. I'll show you the inside. So on the inside is a key keeper. This one has gunmetal hardware and a nylon key keeper, a large slip pocket and a large zipper pocket, and then 2 slip pockets lined, or I guess lined in the natural leather. This one has a leather key keeper, and the hardware matches the hardware on the bag, so I know this is an older bag. And this one has the nylon key keeper and the gold tone or the gunmetal hardware. Sorry, I keep using the wrong words. So those are my 3 Florentine Domed Buckle Satchels. I really like this bag style. The opening of the bag is so wide that it's really easy to get in and out of. And I just really love the looks of the bag. So if anyone has any questions, please let me know. Thanks, Mrs. Q, for selling me this bag. And thank you, Melissa, for asking to see more details on these bags. Okay, I really appreciate everyone watching. Talk to you later. Bye.